Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial that's a little bit different, a little bit random. There's not really a point to it. I'm just kind of like want to be more artistic. I just feel like I've been not artistic lately. Just been I feel like I've just been doing a lot of everyday looks. Not everyday, but like very wearable looks. I just want something that's a little bit crazy, a little bit artistic. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to be playing with makeup and just doing random stuff. But I do have an idea of what I want to do. So a long time ago I recreated this look. Or I created this look quad. Not quad. So a while ago I created this look that I used a pink liquid lipstick. And I did like my eyebrows and everything, like my full face. Almost my full face using that liquid lipstick. And I kind of want to do the same thing but a different color. And different placement of everything. And there's this liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star. This is Mermaid Blood, and I have been dying to use this. This is a beautiful like teal, and we can talk about this packaging as well. This is from his holiday collection, and I'm really excited to use this. I haven't used this yet. I just want to put this all over my face. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started into the tutorial. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Enjoy it. And comment down below if you want to. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going with the Double Wear by Estee Lauder like I always use. And like always mixing a little bit of the Gerard Cosmetics CC Plus cream. Alright, so for concealer, like always, Urban Decay Naked Skin. And this is in Fair Neutral. Alright, so for contour, I'm going to take the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use this cream shade in the palette right here to contour with. Alright, so to set the under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this Smashbox contour palette. I'm going to use this bright shade. I'm going to set this in the T-zone. So it's going to help brighten up and keep those bright areas. Alright, so for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use this palette by Nomad. This is a highlighting palette called All Around the World. And here's what it looks like. It's like a colorful highlighting palette, and you can also use these as eyeshadows as well. So since I am doing like a blue theme, I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. Alright, so let's get to the fun part. So I'm going to use, so like I said, Mermaid Blood I'm going to use by Jeffree Star. I'm going to go ahead and do the eyebrows. I'm really excited for these guys. I'm really excited. So I'm just going to use an angled brush. This is the Anastasia 14 brush. I'm just going to take the product off with a brush and paint my eyebrows on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the liquid lipstick for eyeliner. I'm going to do a big wing. I'm not sure what kind of wing I'm going to do right now, but yeah, I kind of do something a little bit different. So let's just see what happens. And by the way, Jeffree Star's lipsticks are eye safe, so you can use them around the eyes and as eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going to take this eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions. I'm going to go ahead and grab this teal eyeshadow down here, right here. This is literally the perfect eyeshadow to go with this teal look. It's like a perfect match. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to grab that into the inner corner and deepen this and make it a little bit more dramatic. This is almost a little bit futuristic, I feel like. I'm going to grab that same shade. I'm going to run that underneath the lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to grab the pencil by Smashbox. This is the Always On Gel Liner, and this is in shade Baller. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this right in the center as well. I'm just going to like ombre it out the same way as I did this eyeshadow underneath. Alright guys, so now I'm going to move on to the lips. Obviously I'm going to use the liquid lipstick for the lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this bish one. Alright, so now from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to grab this icy blue shade right here. I'm going to pop just a little bit of that into the center of the lips. Just give it a little bit of a highlight. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I know this is a little bit crazy. Super intense. I'm not sure if I'm digging the highlight in the middle of the lip, if I should like it more matte. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. This is just something for fun, just because I just want to do something a bit different on my channel. So I hope you guys like this. If you guys are into this, if you guys recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Deuces.